I have our Easter lamb cutout, and I'm going to start by using Snow Owl on the lamb, on his headpiece. Then I'm going to go in with black on the ears and the hoofs and on the stands. Then I'm going to use smoky quartz on the bells and Republic Red on the heart, and I'm going to start gluing everything together piece by piece. And we have a large lamb and a small lamb. And then I'm going to add my dots and my highlights. This was a fun project, very easy to put together, and you can find this at chalkitoutfancy.com. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.